All right, we're on day 4, and have not recorded much. But it's raining all day. We're about 60 miles into the Blueridge Parkway, starting on the north end. Now we're taking a break. This is what everybody looks like. We're all Floridians, but we're compensating for our lack of being used to the cold and the wet. Well, actually, we're used to wet. There is the gang. It's almost like an encampment.
Standing on it.
I am. Oh.
You getting another layer on?
Yeah. I was freezing. I was gonna put it on before, and Frank said, "Oh, you don't need it."
You got 4 layers on?
No. Well, yeah, actually I do. I got some tights underneath my jeans. You know, not tights, but this.
Good, he's filming you getting dressed.
Yeah, nice picture.
Here's the dressing chapter. Frank's
No.
back in that damn trunk again.
The challenge.
That's Larry.
Oh, that's not true. That's not Frank.
Not Larry. I mean, it's not
I just
Frank.
everybody looks the same when they look like a big balloon. Oh,
All right, Peggy.
wetsuits on.
Scarf for you, dude. All right, Peg, I found your G-string. I don't find it.
The Boston Knob Overlook.
I just know I'm lucky. Jeff's taking pictures to document it all.
This is what it's like at elevation 25, 23. Half a mile up.
Day.
We're a half a mile up. I don't even want to take my helmet off. I just get wet.
You know,
It was
I'm
raining.
getting used to who's riding what colored bike and everything. Now I got to get used to the rain gear. And these guys are really confusing it.
Yeah.
Well, Mr. Green, so.
3 of them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, green legs. Keep your eye out for green. Oh, never mind.
Oh, what's going on back there? Ah.
Playtime. Yeah, we missed the good spots. Beat me with that stick.
That was
Hey, I already marked my territory up there already once.
that was a quickie, man. Were you the guard?
Here comes everybody's coming out of the woods for something, just emerging out of the woods.
But you don't have the suspenders.
Larry's rain suit matches his bike.
No, I don't know that about
And the good one, too.
Whoa, Jeff's got me.
Put it back in there. Hey, you left it hanging out. How are those Burlington boots working in the rain?
So far, so good.
Feet aren't wet yet?
Eventually, but I got to put them out like this way, so it's...
The Hilton Garden Inn. Way up in them dar hills, you can see in the distance the mountains. There's the bikes parked. There's some kind of squatch mobile over there. That's called the squatch mobile. Somebody's into that. I think it's that purple haired lady. Here comes some biker dude.
He's a tough one. Don't hit me again, don't hit me again.
By the eternal flame.
Want a cigar?
No, try it.
Alright, how about a beer?
He's cutting down.
I'm going up, I'll get something. You got some extra beers there?
An extra beer?
Yeah, I'll get Kelly.
Firing this girl for not taking all these dishes off the table.
What? Oh, no, you don't.
Whoa! Did you just film that?
I'm gonna fire this girl.
For not taking all the dishes off the table.
You expect her to take the dishes off and serve you and give you a 10% discount, but not us?
Too much.
We don't get this percent
Honey,
discount?
come take your beer.
I am the only minority.
Honey, you are Espanol.
All right, here we are, Texas Roadhouse.